Okay, this is a Hess's Law problem. In this problem, we are given 3 reactions, all right? And we are given the heats of these reactions, or the enthalpies of these reactions. But the reaction that we want to know the enthalpy of is this last one down here, and we need to put these reactions together like a puzzle in such a way that when we add them together, we get this reaction. And then we can determine the heat of that specific reaction. So, I need 2 carbon graphites. Well, the only reaction up here that has carbon graphites is this one. And since I need 2, I'm going to multiply the whole reaction by 2. And since I multiply the reaction by 2, I also need to multiply the specific, or the enthalpy, by 2. Okay, so I have that. So I have the carbon graphite. Hydrogen and oxygen and water sometimes work themselves out. So I'm going to go to C2H6. And that's in this first reaction. I only need 1 of them. This reaction has 2 of them. So I'm going to divide through by 2. That means I need to divide the enthalpy by 2. I also need it on the product side, and this is on the reactant side. So I'm going to reverse this reaction. And therefore, this will change to a positive value. So what we have so far is 2 carbon graphite plus 2 oxygen goes to 2 CO2 and negative 393.5 kilojoules times 2. Then I have 4 carbon dioxide plus, I've divided by 2, so I have 2 carbon dioxide, 3 waters, I'm reversing this reaction, 1 C2H6, and 7/2 O2. Alright, and that will be a positive 311.9.6 divided by 2. Alright, so let's see what that gives me. I don't have water in my final reaction, and I'm going to need to get rid of this water, so I need 3 waters. So I'm going to multiply this reaction by 3, and so that will give me 3/2. Alright, so if I multiply that by 3, I also have to multiply this by 3. So I get 3H2 plus 3/2 O2 goes to 3 waters, and it's negative 285.8 times 3. Okay, so let's add them together, canceling out everything that should cancel. Carbon graphite is good. Okay, so 2 CO2s, 2 CO2s, 3 waters, 3 waters, 3/2 oxygen plus 2 oxygens. So 2 oxygens is like 4/2. So 4, 5, 6, 7 oxygen, 7/2 oxygen. So those oxygens cancel with that oxygen, leaving me with 2 carbon graphites plus 3H2 goes to C2H6. And when I do this calculation, I get negative 84.6 kilojoules.